What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we start, please understand this is not financial advice. You can do whatever you want with your money. I'm just a guy on the internet voicing out my opinions on this particular subject. So before we proceed, let's take a sip of coffee from my Kaspa Maxi mug. Everything tastes better with Kaspa. So yeah, let's go straight to the charts and see what the prices has been up to since yesterday. As you can see, we are still forming this other shoulder of this inverse head and shoulder. I told you guys that this was going to take a little while for us to complete, right? So the left and the right shoulders need to be completed, and we do have a big resistance, like I said, around here, the 13 cents. Okay, we need to break 13 cents before any price action, and not just breaking it, we need to break it with big volume and enough pressure, form it, convert it into a support, and then take off from there, right? We can even see it way better. Let's go down to the 4-hourly. See, on the 4-hourly, I told you guys we are getting supported by that ribbon and 200 moving average. See, we came down, touched the ribbon, went right back in there again, support again. So we are chugging along, we are moving along slowly, easily, nicely, and slowly. I think the apex of this should be around, shoulder should be around probably the end of this month, between the 30th and the 5th. We should have a decisive move, either to the upside or to the downside. Most probably it's going to be to the upside. Like we see, like it is being forming. As you can see, it took a little while. Like it took a little while to form this inverse head and shoulders. Some people are calling it a cup and handle, which is also, if you're looking just by one side, one half of this. Okay, look at it on the hourly. Let's go on the hourly. As you can see, like I said, we're getting supported by that uptrend, the line. So don't be afraid. Okay, I can say this right away. Don't be afraid if you see a little red. Okay, a little red in the market only means like a buying opportunity, like jump in it. Understand? Sorry about the noise. I'm recording this in the car again, and there are planes flying over. But anyways, a little red in the market only means a buying opportunity. That's what it means. For those of you who wants to accumulate Kaspa, I can tell you this, man. This is the last time you will see Kaspa at these prices. It's the last time, because like once these smart contracts start coming in next month, once they implement the smart contracts and then the ecosystem starts to grow, Kaspa will run. Kaspa will take off like you have not imagined. Okay, like you've not imagined. So because look at this. Okay, let's go back into probably the 4 hours. The 4 hours shows it a lot better, because this right now is an opportunity, okay, to either accumulate on the spot or to put in a leverage position. Okay, leverage position you can put in and then take advantage of this price action to make you to increase your Kaspa holdings. Okay, and before I go any further, please, I will say it again, leverage trading is not for everybody. Okay, leverage trading is a hot first-class ticket to Wreck City, which means you are going to lose your money if you do not know what you're doing. But if you do and you are confident enough, down below I do have my 2 affiliate links on Phemex and Bydfi. Bydfi is giving $3,000 for newcomers. So you sign up, get the bonus, use it to trade. Okay, and while you are trading, you can either use your own instincts, read your own charts, or you can follow somebody. Heck, you can even follow me if you want. Follow my tradings and just copy. We win together, we lose together, it don't matter. But like I said, if you do not know how to do this, please do not get into leverage trading. Now, talking about my positions, I always show you guys everything I do, right? So let's go first into my Bydfi position. As you can see, I took advantage of it because like I told you guys, this move is inevitable, right? It's inevitable, it happens. As you can see right here, Kaspa, I took advantage of it. I'm off 17%. There's a little bit red in the market, but that doesn't faze me because I know what I'm doing, right? And I know it's an opportunity to get some money out of this and increase my Kaspa holding with this. Okay, again, let's check out my other leverage position that I do have, which is on Phemex. Okay, if you look at the Phemex, the same thing goes here. Go my contracts, go down. Phemex, I'm down, I'm up 52%. 52% because this move that I've been telling you guys about, this move is something that I believe, okay? This move is something that I believe is going to take Kaspa up to 17 cents, okay? And we already know how Kaspa behaves. Kaspa usually shoots up past the expectations and go beyond what you're not waiting for. All-time high was 19 cents. There's a resistance at 17. That's why I think this is going to take us 17, probably, you know, get rejected to reaccumulate and go higher. But if it doesn't get, if we do not get rejected at 17 cents, this thing is going to shoot up and we'll be looking at 25 cents. Okay, 25 cents. All this is lining up with the smart contract coming out. And like I said, those of you who pay attention, you should know that either there's a tier 1 exchange. I probably believe it's Binance. Binance is accumulating and Binance is about to list Kaspa on spot. All right, accumulated and about to list Kaspa. So those two things together with smart contracts coming in plus the Feds, you know, Uncle Sam will always do what they want to do, but we know they're about to agitate the market. Everything together, you will not be surprised. I will not be surprised to see Kaspa at 30 cents. Okay, just following this move alone, everything screams it that way. Let me show you another thing right quick. Charts. Okay, if we go to the charts and I will go into here. We go to indicate, not indicators. Where is it? I don't want to add anything to this. Okay, more. Okay, and we go to technicals. Look at that. This is what I want to show you guys on the technical. Guys that trade daily, traders are indecisive. Okay, look at that. It's on, traders are neutral on everything. Okay, on everything, even the oscillators are neutral, but the moving averages are screaming buy, which is why I told you guys we are trading within the ribbon and above the 200 EMA. Once that is happening, that means you need to take advantage of it. We are going to bounce and go higher. Okay, if we go let me take you on the weekly. On the weekly, they're still neutral. Everything is still neutral except the moving average. Oh well, all right, they moved. I thought I looked at it earlier and the moving average was we're on the buying zone. Okay, let's go higher on the monthly, which is where the big thing is. On the monthly, look at that. Monthly, everybody selling, like the summary, like you have to buy. Okay, because you can see a little bit already in the market. Like I said, everybody takes profits. Okay, and it's normal if they feel like they've made enough money and they want to exit. Okay, on the monthly, everything screams buying zone. Looking at the chart, looking at the moving average, looking at the ribbon, even the Fibonacci retracement, it is screaming it's a buying opportunity. Okay, look at the averages, strong buy. Moving averages are telling you strong buy because everything is above it, right? We've already used the averages as a support, and that being used as a support, it means it's time to go, like it's go time. So this right here, this move that we are forming right here, this is an opportunity for everybody that knows how to leverage trade. Okay, like I said, it's not financial advice, but if you do know how to leverage trade and you use this move that is about to happen, you can 10x, 20x, or even 30x your money. Okay, that is what the chart is showing. And even the events that are coming up are also screaming that Kaspa is about to jump in price. It's about to jump. So before we finish this video, let's take a look at the numbers again. Let's take a look at the numbers and figure out what our dear King Kaspa has been up to all today. So there we go. King Kaspa, what the king has been up to for the subjects. Okay, as we can see, we're still at above 12 cents, 12.2 to be exact, and we're still running a market cap of 2.8, 2.9. Everything looks very, very juicy. Okay, we have a trading volume of 14 million. Like I said, people taking profit. Okay, people buying, people selling. It's normal. It is all depends on you. How do you want to proceed when it comes to your own positions or your own investment? If you want to buy on the spot, are you leverage trading? Are you a day trader? Which is for me, I think is is suicide. You know what I mean. Swing trading Kaspa is suicide. Trust me, because Kaspa is on levels that we've never been before. And normally when a new price discovery and it's just lingering around, you trying to daily trade Kaspa, you must be, I don't know, it's suicide. That's all I can tell you is suicide. So let's continue. Looking around here, like you said, we still have the network score is still, look at that, 79-80%, which means a lot of people believe in this on this network. So let's go into the Rusty Kaspa, and before that, let's get into the addresses. Like I always say, please just buy 10,000 Kaspa. 10,000 Kaspa right now will cost you around like $1,200 probably. That's what it will cost you. Look at the number of addresses that holds more than $10,000 in Kaspa. They've increased because a lot of people are beginning to see the hidden diamond on this project. A lot of people beginning to see it. 10,000 in Kaspa, not in dollars. I would say in coins. Just buy $10,000 coins. Okay. The reason is because people keep comparing Kaspa with Ethereum and all this, and some people have been saying like, oh, it won't get there because Ethereum and Bitcoin couldn't get there in the first 10 years. But what anybody's not paying attention is like Kaspa came out when everybody and their grandmother know about crypto. Understand? A lot of people are investing into crypto now versus when Bitcoin and Kaspa and Ethereum came out. That alone will shoot Kaspa up. I still think this season Kaspa will go to $10. I still say it. There's a lot of guys that are talking about excuse me for a second. Oh yeah, that was my neighbor parking. Excuse me for a second. There's a lot of guys who are talking about, $2 or $3. Understand? There are other people who are saying no, it will not get there. And I'm telling you guys, Kaspa will hit that $10 today. I mean, not this season, not today. I wish it was today, but we know, everybody understands it. Like the price action of this coin is more than what you can ever compare to any other altcoin or to any other cryptocurrency out there. So I'll go back into the Rusty Kaspa. We can see that Kaspa now. Yesterday, when we look at this, we saw Kaspa at 53%. The nodes that have been moving over to the Rust language, to the Rusty Kaspa, and today we see they are 60%. Okay, 60%, which means I told you guys this migration is moving way faster than anybody thought. Okay, faster than that, because this thing is kind of crossed. We crossed already. Okay, look at how fast we crossed. The move was parabolic. It was fast, and it was like with a punch. So it crossed and is now higher and is moving even faster than we thought. Because me personally, I thought this move would take probably 2 months or a month and a half to complete. But we are seeing this, and that again reassures me, confirms that Kaspa is about to be on a change. Okay, I still also believe that all these Binance, Coinbase, they are all waiting for Kaspa to complete the migration. Once the migration is completed, that is when they are going to list it on a spot. That's what I still believe. Okay, so that being said, take advantage of it. Okay, because today, the price we are looking at today is about to run. Now, when I mean run, I mean run. This thing is about to take off. Really, it's about to really go higher, probably 30 cents on a dollar. Okay, that's what I think, and that's what I believe. The charts are telling us the same thing. The events happening around are also telling us the same thing, that Kaspa is about to take off. Okay, I say it again. It's normal. Oh, oops, sorry. Sorry about that. Okay, sorry about that. Well, the events that are happening are showing it that Kaspa is about to, reach on this higher levels, 25, 30 cents. And it's going to happen way faster than anybody even thought about it. Like I said, if you know, understand? If you know, you know. Please turn on your notifications on, subscribe to the channel, leave me a comment. What do you think about this? Okay, I would like to read and I would like to see your opinions. Thank you, and see you in the next one.